Hello guys, how are you? Nice to meet you. Today, I will share about how to read data from keyboard in Python. Python 3 provides a function named input round brackets to read data from the keyboard and enter its value into a variable. It should be noted that the input round brackets function always returns a value of type string. Choose if you want to read numeric data, then you need to convert the read data to a numeric type. For example, consider the following code. So I will type x equivalent input round brackets. So I will type enter integer in round brackets. So in enter integer, I will add 13, next x, and you can see that there is 13 in layer bottom of x. So next type round bracket x class str. Okay. In the code above, we read the data from the keyboard and enter it into the variable x. The type of the variable x can be obtained by calling the type round brackets function. You can see in the above result that x is of type class str. That means the value of the variable x cannot be used for calculation. For example, as follows. So I can type x equivalent. I will add enter integer in round brackets. So no, it's false. So I will rewrite. So it is false. Sorry, it is false. X equivalent input from brackets. I will add enter integer in round brackets. Enter integer. I will add 13 x. So it will show 13 in the screen. I will add type round bracket x equals str x plus 2. So you can see the type error in my screen. The error above states that the int object or value 2 cannot be converted to str. To solve the problem above, we need to convert the value returned by the input round bracket function to a numeric type, for example, int, float, or double. So let me show you in my screen. Now I want to add x equivalent in round brackets input round brackets enter integer. Integer 13. I choose 13 in the integer choice, and I will add type x, type round x, what I mean, and there is a class in my screen. Next, I will type x plus 2, and you can see 15 as the result in my screen. That's all my explanation. I hope this video is useful for all. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and comment. Thank you for watching.